Alright, so we're back, and as you can see, this is the main picture of the product. We really don't like that. We kind of want this one, but the one thing I did not see is that there's some writing here. So let's try to see if we could go ahead and edit that. Edit image, and we're just going to try to crop all that stuff out. I don't know how clear it's going to be. Alright. And that looks pretty good. Maybe we can make it a little bit wider. Oh, looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and save that. I think it's just going to create another image, so the last photo is still going to be there, so we're going to have to just remember to delete that. Alright, then the other thing we want to do is just kind of put it in order. Let's see. I think we're going to do that next. That. Specifications. Should go here. And I think we can actually delete this one now. Because I mean, it's the same one as that, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one. Remember, once it's deleted, it cannot be undone, so be careful. Well, I think it's enough. So we have that as the main one. I'm pouring it to show how it comes apart. That section, then the perimeters, and then just the two different options for the color. Also, as you can see, the variants here, these are the variant pictures. You can actually change and edit these as well, and this was what it's going to show on the search engine. Now notice that the website is daywebsite85.myshopify.com. So this is the domain. So if you were to go on this domain right here, it will take you to the website. I'm just going to go ahead and, alright, let's see. Paste and go. Now, of course, we didn't do anything to this, but there is our product. So this is the website. Now, this is the free domain that Shopify gives you. It is the store name .myshopify.com. Completely free. No need to spend any money for it, and it will always be on even after you buy a domain. You can always go back to that and log in. I suggest investing like the $12 it takes to get a domain. So for example, for this, if you want to be a legitimate website, you should put in this niche right here, like coffeecollections.com or whatever is available. That way it just makes it look more legit. I mean, if somebody wanted to buy something from it, this really doesn't look that professional, and that's pretty much a catalog. You only have one product. These are the two only options. You see how my other website I had multiple ones. I'll show you guys how to add that later. Image, I could delete this box right here and do something with it. And this, if I had a logo, which first you get a domain name, then create a logo, which I'll probably do just to kind of make this look professional and nice for you guys. And you can upload it here. But if you actually look at the product page, that is actually something that is pretty put together. So That is the main picture. Somebody pouring it. And it looks really nice. Then you got the perimeters, the different color. And also, this right here, the pictures you choose is what this brings it up. So like if I didn't want these blank ones, for example, and I took my own pictures, I could take my own with a background, something like this, where it's the gold and the same picture. If I had this picture in silver and gold, basically what I'm saying is that I'd get rid of these and switch them out. Because if you go here, that's what comes up. See, silver, gold. So that's kind of nice how it switches there. You have add to cart, buy with PayPal because we did not create the Shopify yet. Then we have our description here, more payment options, nothing there yet. You could share the product, tweet it, back to homepage. And next step, we have our product. I will show you guys how to edit the website, make it look really professional and nice. All right, so we have our product. You can select the plan here, but you don't really have to worry about that, at least for 14 days. And really the next thing is online store, editing it. All right. So online store is password protected, meaning all visitors that go on your website actually have to enter a password to see the website. So you should always disable that. That's for maybe if you're like starting out and to disable your password, you need to pick a plan. So they're trying to, we'll worry about that later. All right, so the next thing is picking a theme. So debut is the default. You could customize this, you could edit it, and do all that fun stuff. And you can shop themes. So explore free themes or visit the theme store. We're trying to do this for as low as possible. So we're going to see what they have for the free themes. Now, some themes you can buy, and some of them could go up to $200, $300, $400 or more. And like I said, you don't need to, but the more you want to invest in your business, the more you want to stand out, the better. Oh, look at this. Reinventing coffee from the ground up. Huh. That is actually pretty funny. This could actually work. So something like simple, if you had multiple products that could work. Boundless, I had this for a little bit on a couple of my websites. It's for high, big quality pictures. Venture, same thing, big pictures in the background. Debut is the current one, and that's why we have the blank supply. I mean, debut could work, I think, instead of this if we did some kind of coffee stuff. But this actually is interesting. Let's see what that looks like. Hmm. I don't know. This actually might work. I mean, it's funny they're doing coffee too. Built for small catalogs, hero video, designed for visual storytelling, fixed navigation. That actually could work for what we're doing. The other thing I was thinking, let's look what Debut has. Single featured product. That can actually be perfect. Customer testimony. Boundless, optimized for large images, like I said. This is good if you have really nice high quality pictures. Modern apparel stores, nope. So let's try this right here and let's do the warm. Add to theme library. And we will get into editing on the next one. So I'll see you guys there.